My name is Adam, I'm a medical trainer and human biomechanics specialist with over 10 years of experience working and effectively helping people to get out of pain through biomechanical intervention, where I specify my best body fix therapy method. I've proven to work my techniques, which gives you results faster than 7 days. You can unlock your body, you can unlock your breathing, posture, strengthen your joints. If you want to find out my secrets of solving those pain issues, I'm going to show you how to bulletproof your posture and back to move your body pain-free, achieving best shape of your life and greatest performance. See you there.